Well, hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to program your cable box remote. I'm going to concentrate on programming it to your TV, but of course you can, program it to your Blu-ray player, your sound bar, whatever you need. But first, this box is from Suddenlink, but I think most of the cable boxes from the different companies are, pretty close. The number on this particular remote is 1056B03, but again, I don't know that number means just a whole lot. They're all real similar. If yours ain't just like this, it's a good chance it'll program real similar. So okay, the first thing we want to do is we want to turn our TV on, which you can see it is on behind us. Next thing we want to do is we want to pick which device we want to program. In this case, we're programming the TV. So what I'm going to do is push the TV. Next thing I want to do is find the setup button, which is right here. We're going to push it, and we're going to hold it till that TV LED blinks twice. You can see that it blinked twice. Now once it blinks twice, we push in 991. Okay, right here, 991. Alright, now we want to push the up channel button until the TV turns off. Once the TV is off, you press the set button. Your TV button will blink twice and it's set. So now let's try it. Okay, we've got TV. We're going to hit the power button. Let's see if it turns back on. As you can see, it turned back on. Your TV button works. There's your volume button right here. So let's see if the volume works. As you can see, the volume is going down. So now your box is programmed to your TV and your cable box. And like I said, you can program your other items also if you need to. You just do it the same way. So, hey, I hope this helped you out. If it did, hey, give me a thumbs up. Till next time, catch you later.